If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is obviously featuring this look right here for the Valentine holiday. I am so excited about this look. And I know I say that in every video, but y'all, like, I've been sitting here praying that these looks come out right. So this is what I came up with, and I absolutely love it. So this is the Element of Surprise palette by Colourpop, and I have yet to try their pressed eyeshadows until now. Y'all, I'm shook. Like, they are the bomb.com. I was like, okay, Colourpop. Like, I was torn up the entire tutorial. So I've always loved Colourpop. Colourpop has always been bae to me. Colourpop is affordable. Colourpop has dope products. These shadows are super duper 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 pigmented. Like, this pink, y'all, almost fell out. And that purple, oh my god. Like, I was just like, wait a minute now. Like, I am so shook at these Colourpop pressed shadows. Like, what did y'all put in these things? I'm really vexed right now. My spirit is vexed because I don't understand how good. Like, I'm telling you, they had the Holy Ghost up in this thing right here. I actually ended up getting this during the Christmas break when everything was on sale. So I actually got this palette for like 10 or 12 bucks. So you know how I do. I got to find me a deal because I don't buy full price makeup if I don't have to. This is a 5-star palette. You need this palette in your collection. If you like rose tones and shimmery colors and just these mauve-y, like fall type colors, I highly recommend this palette for that. And it's very inexpensive. Even when it's not on sale, it's only 16 bucks. Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed using this palette and I look forward to using it even more. Thank you for showing me love on my last upload, the black gold inspired makeup look. And I hope you guys continue to check that out as well and go purchase his music because it's lit. Just thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, all of your sweet comments, all the support. I just love you guys. And for those of my subscribers or people that I see that see my work and you stop me and talk to me, I appreciate you for letting me know. It really adds fuel to my fire. It really brightens up my day and it just excites me because it means the world to me. Nobody really knows how much sacrifices you put into your passions, into your dreams and stuff of that nature. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Hey guys, what's up? So let's jump into it. If you'd like a tutorial on my eyebrows, you can click the link above. But we're jumping into this palette right now. I'm taking the first shade, Go With The Flow, and I place this in my transition area. And I'm just gonna work that like literally right under the brow, not completely under the brow, but that area between the brow and that little bit of space between my crease. Now I'm going in with the shade Subdue, and this is like a really bright, pearlescent, shimmery pink, and I just absolutely loved it, and I loved it in my crease. I feel like it was the perfect area to put that shade for this particular look, which made it all come together. And I'm gonna go with the flow a little bit more and just blend those two colors together nicely. Now I'm taking the shade Late Night and I'm going to apply this to the outer third of my crease, right beside that Subdue shade. And this looks like a really true purple, and I just loved how pigmented it was. Now I'm taking the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in Deep Warm 31 to cut my crease for this eyeshadow look. So I always dust a little bit of powder on my eyes to prevent it from messing up what I've already done, to help the concealer dry so it doesn't get everywhere. Now I'm taking a little bit more of Subdue and I'm going to work that over in my crease. And now I'm taking the shade Feels and I'm going to apply this where I applied that concealer, and I noticed right off the bat that it wasn't extremely pigmented. So I took some of my NYX Dewy setting spray and I just wet the shadow, and I kept working it onto that area to get the pigmentation that I wanted. It's a really pretty shade, but it was definitely a little bit challenging to work with. I just love the shimmeriness of it though. It's, oh my god, it's so pretty. Now I'm taking the shade Peace of Mind, which is like a pretty red burgundy color, and I'm gonna work that in the outer V of my eye. Looking good so far. Now I'm gonna take the shade Rayon and I'm gonna use that as my brow bone highlight. It's like a shimmery frosty lavender color. I thought it was really pretty because normally I don't pay attention to my brow bone. I just kind of leave it bare, but I think that really pulled the look together as well, and I was excited to play in as many colors as I could at the time. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning up to get that sharp edge, you know, to make everything look nice and flawless and seamless. Now I'm taking Subdue, Late Night, and Peace of Mind to work that under my eye to pull the look together. Now I'm going in with the shade Silk Street, and I'm going to use that and put that in my inner tear duct. And to finish off the look, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I also added it to my lower lashes, which I did off camera, as well as my liner. That completes the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
If I told you you were beautiful, if I told you you were beautiful, if I